I look like I'm a housewife or a mom who's about to go pick up her 2 kids from like soccer practice. But here I am filming a YouTube video. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new, if you're not, I'm Kiana and it is 2022 and I think that it is high time that we brought back monthly favorite videos because I used to love them. I was obsessed with the OG aesthetic beauty guru phase of YouTube with the oversaturation and the dramatization. Monthly favorites were the shit. So I want to bring back monthly favorites, so welcome to January 2022 monthly favorites. These are some of the things that I have been loving, starting the OG favorites video with obviously beauty related favorites. My 2 beauty related favorites are actually from the same brand, and that is Merit. These are 2 iconic Merit products that have been talked about throughout 2020 and 2021, and I am bringing them into 2022. So the first one is this Merit blush, and this one in particular is in the shade Cheeky, which is a beautiful raspberry kind of berry tone that goes on beautifully. I mean, I'm wearing it today. I think it is truly amazing. When you think of Merit beauty products, you think of this blush because it's iconic, and they are constantly restocking this baby because first of all, the packaging, it is everything, and second of all, this product, I kid you not, blends so beautifully. I know that over blushing has been all the rage and I have loved that trend. I love the cutesy cartoon character vibe that over blushing gives you. This product is so forgiving. If you love look of over blushing but maybe you're too scared to do Rare Beauty, if you're too scared to do Charlotte Tilbury, you don't know how liquid blushes are gonna go, this, because it blends so beautifully. All you need, swipe it on, then you blend it in with your fingers and it looks beautiful. And then my next beauty favorite is the Merit highlighting balm in Cava. This thing is so incredibly beautiful. This is ever so natural highlighting shade. What I love about it is most highlighters use glitter as a form of like catching the light. This is all shimmer, so there's no chalky chunky flecks of glitter. It's all shimmer, so it makes it look so natural and makes it look like you're glowing from within. Glides on so easily like any Merit products. You can use your fingers. Again, moving on to the next category, it is jewelry, and if you know me, you know that I am a sucker for jewelry. It is something I could talk about on and on and on. Something I've been loving lately are gold Huggy hoops. So I have 2 different ones here. So this first one is just your everyday essential gold Huggy hoops. These ones are from Every Jewel, so they are super affordable and they are gold plated. They're very hard to hold. Like, how do you show gold earrings? They're kind of on the bolder side, but they do look very dainty and just hugs your ear. And then the next one is a little bit more sparkly and more fun. These ones are from Golden Blooms, which is a Toronto based small business. They are sparkly and I love putting these in my second piercing because they're so dainty but they catch the light. So I do the Every Jewels ones in the first hole and then the Golden Blooms one in the second hole. I swear that it is perfection. Okay, so it's winter, and if you don't know, I'm actually from Toronto, and a couple days ago we were hit with a massive snowstorm that left like 40 to 60 centimeters of snow. The snow is almost taller than me. Like, that's sitting in front of my front yard. It's almost taller than me. So if I were to jump in that, you would not find me. So obviously fashion favorites for this month had to be winter attire because what else are we living in? Just cold. So the first thing, if you've watched my what I got for Christmas video, I don't think I filmed the what I've got for Christmas. I think it was at the end of Vlogmas week 4. So if you haven't seen that, then you have no idea what I'm talking about. But it is a scarf. This is, I believe it is the Wilfred Free Classic scarf in the heather gray color. I love the scarf trend because like it's just like the most practical fashion trend out there, especially if you live in a cold climate. If you don't, please don't wear a scarf and leave it for the rest of us girlies because it's freezing. It has the cute little fringe at the bottom, but there's not really much to say other than it is super warm. I will have to say this scarf is expensive. It's around like $80, I think. I would never buy it for myself, but it is very practical. And if you're in the need or on the market for a new scarf, this one is good. If you're willing to splurge, $80 at Aritzia. It's the Wilfred classic wool scarf, heather gray. They also have other colors. They also have a million other scarves. Check it out. Not that I'm advising you to buy an $80 scarf, but also kind of am. Okay, and then the last fashion favorite, you probably saw it coming. Would I leave from Toronto if I didn't have a black puffer jacket? No. I got this also from Christmas from my dad, but I picked it out myself because my dad doesn't do Christmas shopping. So this is the original super puff in the regular length. I didn't want the shorty length because I want something that'll cover my butt, but I wanted a shorter jacket than my like parka because not every day in winter is a parka weather day. Can't see it, but I'm pretty sure you know what it looks like. It's black. My favorite thing is the thumb hole little thing. It is $250, but winter jackets tend to be so freaking expensive, so I think it's a great deal. It keeps me super warm. Okay, let's move on to random favorites, and when I say random, I mean random because the first thing on my list is soup. I got sick at the top of the year, and I'm talking January 1st. I got sick, and I was sick for about 5 days, and all I really consumed was soup. And then proceeding for the rest of the month, all I really consumed was soup. Was I still sick? No, but something about soup hit different after I was sick. And I am not a soup girly. I actually am not a fan of soup because it's so hot and I hate when my tongue is burnt. So soup is just not for me, but it's been really cold and I was sick and soup was just all that I wanted. So that's all I really ate. And I'm talking all kinds of soup. My family, my mom makes her famous wonton soup, and that is all I ate for 5 days straight when I was sick. But literally any soup. My favorites this month just keep getting more random because my next favorite is Celine Dion's It's All Coming Back to Me Now, because that song resurfaced on TikTok and I have been singing it non-stop. I've been listening to it non-stop. The vibes with that song is just amazing. We have made it to the end of January's monthly favorites, with the last random favorite being TikTok. I'm not talking about watching TikToks, even though that's always a favorite. I'm talking about actually making TikToks. I have been showing TikTok what I've been wearing every day since the beginning of the year. Now I've added just me talking about life things that I've experienced, and it's really fun. It's super easy and I love it. I don't know why. It brings me so much joy. It really gets my creative juices flowing, and I've fallen in love with creating content again. If you don't follow me on social media, you should. It's just at Kiana Gabrielle _ on literally everything now. I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly favorite. I can't wait to see what this year is going to bring. I hope you guys stick around. I have a goal to upload every week. I upload on Thursdays now. I like Thursday uploads. I tried to do Sunday, but it just wasn't working out. So Thursday. We're back to Thursday. And I will see you guys next Thursday for another new video. Bye!
Look up at the sky.